When it comes to managing day-to-day tasks and promoting your event to get maximum exposure, even the most mundane tasks can seem impossible because the average individual does not have the necessary outlets to do them right. Typically, organizing a tweet-up means you have to send invitations to tweets, get their confirmations, invite the right audience, purchase expensive tools to track your event's hashtags, know which hashtags you should try to trend, measure your event's success, and the list can go on. Needless to say, this can get out of hand quite quickly. This is where we come in. Tweetups can save you precious time that you can spend doing something that adds value to your event. Your brand is our priority. With us, you will be able to plan every step of your event, connect with influential tweets and relevant audience, send and receive invitations with ease, track your event's hashtag, measure the overall success of your event, and many more, only through Tweetups. Visit our website tweetups.com and download our mobile app for more information.